Yes, you get it right. Just relax and have fun in this task. That's all I ask for. Alright, let's start with the About page first. So in this task, we're going to create a panel with shadow, the big panel, right? With shadows. And inside the panel, we create two columns and they are 50-50. So one is for Twitter timeline here, and the other is for the avatar and the text. Well, like I said before, you can go to material design and play around with their components, CSS like color, grid, and shadow. Okay, so for example, the color is easy to use. So all you need to do is just copy the markup like this. And the same thing color, if you want to use this color, here's a code. And for the shadow, which we're going to use, that's very easy. And here you got example as well. So we're going to use the class zdiff1 and zdiff2 and so on. So like you see, nowadays things like Bootstrap, material design like these guys has changed again. So you don't have to be a rockstar designer or HTML or CSS expert to get things done. So let's open app views pages about.html.erb. Alright, so I'm going to remove this and we're going to create a big panel, and I'm going to put the shadow like div3, which you saw earlier. Alright, so next we're going to create another content, and we're going to use the white text here. It's just a class which the material design framework define this one, so I'll just use it. So no big deal. So inside this panel, I'm gonna create two columns. And I define M6 for each. That means they are 50% and 50%. Okay. Now what we're going to do next is inside the second columns, we're gonna create a div that you saw earlier. Alright, looks okay. And inside here we're gonna create row. So in the second column we just create a new panel with a shadow as well. And inside the panel we create a new row. And inside row we're gonna create two columns, one for the avatar and one for the text. And this one it should be M9. So M3 means 25% and M9 means 75%. Alright, so inside here we're going to using the image tag of Rails image. Alright, cool. And for the next one, we're going to get a new span. The class would be black text. So the text will be black. Alright. So image tag here, that means it's gonna get the avatar.jpg inside the access images folder. But because we don't have the avatar.jpg in the images folder yet, so we're gonna do it now. So in my desktop, I already got it, so I'll just copy it. And I'm gonna copy and move it in here. Now let's open the terminal and run the server. So open web browser and go to the page, about page. Alright, awesome. Because we don't have the Twitter widget yet, so that is why the second column is moved to the left. Now we need to get our Twitter timeline and put it in to the first column. Let's do it now. So in your Twitter, going to settings and going to widgets. Alright, click create new. And as you can see here, here is exactly what you should have. Alright, so I'm gonna click create widget. And once you've done that, Twitter are gonna give you the code here. What you have to do is just copy, go back to the about.html.erb and paste in here. Alright, so I'm just make it looks nicely. Save it. Now go back to the browser and hit refresh. Beautiful. So here's what you get. You got the Twitter widget and you got the panel with the avatar and text as well, which is really nice. Alright guys, we just finished our about page, and I'll see you guys in the next video when we're working on the contact page.